We are pleased to show you the 2018 Cadillac XT5. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, sunroof, roof rails, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lamps, traction control. Inside you'll find cruise control, floor mats. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing a distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.